Welcome back to Carbro Show. Today we're diving into the top 5 car gadgets you didn't know you needed. These gadgets not only make your driving experience smoother, but also add a touch of modern convenience. Let's get started. First up, we have the dash cam. This little device is a game changer for safety and security. It records everything happening on the road, providing crucial evidence in case of an accident. I installed one last year, and it's already saved me from a couple of insurance headaches. Here's a quick demo of how it works. Next, let's talk about the Bluetooth FM transmitter. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, this is a must-have. It lets you play your favorite music and take calls hands-free. I use it every day for my commute, and it's been fantastic. Being able to stream my playlist directly from my phone has made long drives so much more enjoyable. Plus, the hands-free calling feature keeps me safe and connected while driving. Number 3 on our list is the portable jump starter. Ever been stranded with a dead battery? This compact device can jumpstart your car in seconds without needing another vehicle. I never leave home without it. Coming in at number 4, we have the smart tire pressure monitor. This gadget keeps track of your tire pressure in real time and alerts you if something's off. It's great for preventing blowouts and improving fuel efficiency. Last but not least, we have the car vacuum cleaner. Keeping your car clean can be a challenge, especially with kids or pets. This handy vacuum reaches all those nooks and crannies, making interior cleaning a breeze. I love road trips, but they can leave my car looking like a disaster zone. This vacuum makes cleanup quick and easy. It's powerful enough to handle crumbs, pet hair, and even small debris. So, there you have it. The top 5 car gadgets you didn't know you needed. These devices can truly transform your driving experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool reviews and tips. What's your favorite car gadget? Let me know in the comments and stay tuned for our next video. See you next time.